Yes, sir. We are back, baby. Let's go, man. All right, peeps. We're going to go ahead and jump into another video. So, this, my friends, is a young lady that followed her friend, and this was a girl's trip to Miami. No food, no water, or car. Man, listen. Well, I don't really believe in them doggone them girl trips, man. Them girl trips can be real dangerous, dog, for real. Your friends ain't really your friends. Word. All right. Let's go ahead and jump right back into another video, another reaction. Let's get it.
With her.
Who paid for the room?
Her. It's in her name. Everything is her name. I don't have shit. I don't have nothing. I'm from Alabama. Birmingham. I don't have shit.
Be quiet
Like, what
and
the
listen. It's your problem. All of this right here is not gonna help you solve no issues.
I just want to go with her.
You're not going.
I want to go. You can't tell me I can't go. You can't tell me I can't go.
So listen, if you're gonna keep doing this, I ain't got nothing for you. Right?
Okay, you can't tell me I can't.
No, if you keep doing this, my patience is done. I'm not helping you. I'm not helping somebody that don't want to be helped.
But
so can you? No. The answer is no. You actually stop.
I can't go to jail.
Do you want our help? Yes or no? Because I will leave you be, and I will leave without giving you any assistance. But if you keep acting irate and acting like this when we're trying to help you, the answer is no. You're not going to jail.
Do you understand?
If you want our help, finding somewhere else to stay, yes or no?
Listen.
Do you want our help finding somewhere else to stay, yes or no?
Listen, I don't have an ID. I don't have shit.
You keep saying what you don't have, and you're not giving a solution or helping us assist you. I don't care that you don't have ID.
You have an ID though, right? You have an issued ID.
I don't care about none of that.
You have an issued ID.
On my phone. On my phone. That's the only thing.
Listen.
Her shit. Everything is in her name. I can't do this.
We can go to those.
All right, man. This is crazy. I mean, the way that the video started, everything was just crazy, man. One thing that I will say is people got to get in control of their doggone emotions, man. I understand it's a lot going on. You showed up. I don't know. Again, your friends is not your friends, man. They leaving you high and dry like that. That's why I tell people I don't believe in that girl trip. None of that. If I'm not traveling with my family and I'm not traveling alone, listen, no, I'm good, bro. I'm good. And I'm going to make sure that I'm covered. You know, I got a backup plan to back up my damn backup plan. For real. You got to be careful. But now that you have the police that are out here involved, it look like she got her stuff out here. She says she from Alabama and she all the way out there in Miami. This is tough, man. This is why I'm going to always believe that women are supposed to be covered from end to end. You in your mama and daddy's house until you get married. That's just my personal belief. That way you cover from end to end. When you leave out this doggone house, then, you know, you're going to be going with your husband. Point blank, period. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to keep a lot of women from being in situations like this. Because I'm trying to figure out what the hell is you out there in Miami for any damn way with some damn friends that you obviously can't trust. Like, what's the purpose? What's the point? Like, I can't think of any reason why. But you sitting there yelling, screaming at the cops is not going to help your situation. It's just not. Like, this guy is asking you, you know, asking you some questions. I don't know. She says she don't have an ID. She ain't got no money. She ain't got no food. She don't have a car. But it sounds like, to me, it sounds like the police officer is going to attempt or try to help her, you know, get out of the situation, make sure that she got, you know, a roof over her head for the night or whatever. You're not going to be able to hear that if you sitting there yelling and screaming at him. Listen, ma'am, I'm just here to try to help you. I'm not here to, you know, go back and forth or whatever. The girl probably done made it clear as day that she don't want you there. And again, you yelling and screaming is not helping the situation. Calm the freak down. Your emotions ain't gonna do nothing but get you in trouble right now, man. Just settle down. This is crazy, man. I would love to hear from y'all. What are y'all thoughts on girl trips? I think that them trips be for women that are single anyway, or women that's for the streets. Maybe a little bit of both. Because we heard what go down in Miami. I have not heard of any type of girl trip where The women really go down there just to chill most of the time, and we have seen it. You know what I'm saying on these different videos. Most of the time, they going down there to, and we're gonna leave it at that. But what are y'all thoughts on this young lady and this situation? Right? Have anybody ever been in a situation where they done went somewhere with, one of their friends or whatever, and they done, I don't know, maybe went down there without any money or a car, and they friends done did them dirty? What would y'all suggest that she do in this situation? I would love to hear. Drop it down in the comments, man.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.